Hello, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Hasmin Kogan from the Philippines, 36 years old, married, and I have two sons. My eldest is 14 years old and the youngest is 11 years old. I wake up in the morning at 5 o'clock a.m. to prepare food for their breakfast. And after they go to school, I do the household chores such as doing the washing the dishes, cleaning, ironing, and do the laundry. I also know how to take care of children since I'm the one who's been taking care of my kids since they were born. I am a person that is trustworthy, honesty, responsible, and God-fearing. If you hire me, I will do my job to the best of my ability with joy, love, care, trust, and respect. And I hope that my future employer will also be able to trust and respect me. I would like to work in Hong Kong to provide the needs of my children in their education and for their good future. I look forward with a family that I can take care of, and same goes with them. Thank you and God bless.